Hello. I almost forgot to take you for a ride with me on this one. This is a 2018 Lincoln MKZ hybrid. Customer says the wrench light came on. And right now I just got into the car. I'm driving it to see if there's any drivability symptoms, which does not appear so at this time. I'm going to come back and make a couple laps around the block and see if I can verify a concern. Either way, I will be scanning it today. Whew. When I was slowing down there, the seatbelt almost tried to strangle me. It was just pulling on me. Singing the stoplight blues. I'm stuck at a stoplight. And can't think of anything that rhymes with that. Boo-hoo. Okay. Oh, copyrighted music playing. I hope it didn't pick up too much of that music there. No infringement intended. I do not own that music. It was merely in the background, and I had no control over it at the time because the power button won't press. So I just had to turn it down. Okay, that aside, just make one more lap around the block here. And so far, everything seems perfect with it. Once again, this is a Lincoln MKZ 2018, I believe. Yes. It's a hybrid. And let's go to the shop. Yeah, that was a bad snap. There we go. Initiating scan tool protocol. Beep boop, beep boop. Warning, injury or death. Beep boop. Start new session. Other. Yep, this is definitely a Lincoln. Yes. Lincoln full electric hybrid 2018 year model. Okay, computer, tell me something. All CMDTCs. I want to know what codes are in here. I want to know what this thing's telling me. Scan tool says, let's see, scrolling down, that's a lot of modules. Holy catfish. Wow, look at all the modules. That's a hybrid for you. Look at all that. Look at all these modules that are made in China. Wow. Okay, anyway, if I can get back to the bottom here. Yeah, we've got some issues here. Let's start with the less important looking ones here, just to eliminate some stuff. Okay. Transmission range sensor. Default position sensor circuit range performance. Fault is currently present. Okay, well, it turns out that's a more important thing. Transmission range control module. I'm a transmission tech, and I didn't even realize there was a module for the range sensor on a MKZ hybrid. Okay, transmission range control module, position motor, default position motor, transmission range select motor, current too high. Okay, transmission range select motor, gear shift module, and no, that's GP. What the heck is that? Gear shift module. Okay. Group system for mobile antenna. Yes, I agree. Not important. Transmission range control module. Shift cable disconnected or misadjusted. Unable to engage drive. Alright guys, I'm taking bets here. I'm going to put $1 in that this is a broken shift cable. Shifter cable bushing, I'm sorry. Either that or it's the engagement motor issue. Let's go under the hood. Alright, well, that bushing's intact down there. I tugged on the cable and it wouldn't pop off, so, and I can feel it. The bushing's one piece. It's good. So let's just continue our visual inspection. Follow that cable up, see if it's broken or bound up. Yes, I know it might just be the motor, but I'm just doing my due diligence here. I do believe this is a warranty issue here. I will need to run the numbers though. That's most likely an issue with the motor inside the fender there, which controls the shifter cable. But let me pull up a pinpoint test. Cold air. Woo! Hold on. Okay, Hurricane Big Ben is over. All right. Okay. P07E5 is our first code there. The shift-by-wire system commanded drive. After a period of time, the range sensor is valid but does not indicate drive. The wrench light will illuminate and a shift system fault message is displayed in the message center. Possible engine no crank condition, no drive engagement. Check for the transmission range control module system voltage low or motor diagnostic trouble codes. Check for shift cable bound, pincher misrouted, which it's not. We noticed that. We inspected it. Perform a network test. If network control area network codes are present, stop and look at the network issue. So that's not an issue. The misguided cable is not an issue. The bushings are, right? Let's see, the voltage codes. Yeah, I mean, guys, there's no low input voltage power codes, and I've seen this before, and it's that motor for the range. It's the motor for the shifter cable. The motor that adjusts the shifter cable and operates it when commanded to by the PCM. Okay. And I've seen that before, and it's been the motor every time. And they're always very intermittent. And you saw I drove it for 15 or 20 minutes. So, let's see. Yeah, you have no input voltage low codes, no other low voltage codes in the whole car. The shifter cable's okay, no network codes. Alright. So, I mean, that's all it says on this code here. I can look up other codes and see if there's a pinpoint test, but it's a relatively simple system here and very intermittent. It's a warranty concern, so I'm going to probably go ahead and call it as a motor here. But if any of you guys want to see more diagnostics, let me go ahead and look at a different code. Range select motor 177A. This is the reason I'm showing you the workshop manual is for educational purposes. I'm not trying to say that I own the workshop manual for Ford, because I don't see that code. Yeah, I'm gonna have to limit the amount I show you the copyrighted workshop manual. I just realized that. But yeah, if you have this issue on your hybrid Lincoln or hybrid Fusion, just keep in mind you may end up needing the transmission range select motor, which is a pretty simple job. It's located inside the fender well up here, and you disconnect the shifter cable off of it and then unbolt it and replace it, and that's all there is to it. I hope you found today's video entertaining. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I've got like 100 more of them right now, but I mean, they're going to keep coming. And I'm going to keep improving on my recording quality and try to incorporate some jokes to make you laugh and stuff like that. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.